Oh,
May mo
yeah.
palang question.
Number one is we got to work with our developers. We have to work with a number of people, so the interaction itself makes the work bearable.
Yes, correct. Being able to work with your the very talented QAs, developers, and platform solution designers here at Devtac, and also the excitement of being able to gain more knowledge from them, most especially the technical knowledge that you gain from them throughout the project that you handle. Well, that's one of the exciting part of being a project manager.
Yes.
I agree. Personally, what I love most about being a project manager is its collaborative nature. As they mentioned, we work with cross-functional teams, and that allows us to connect ideas, remove roadblocks, and see how individual contributions allow a group to succeed in a project. And so it's also fulfilling actually to see how a person as a project manager can lead a team through challenges and celebrate milestones together.
How Devtac actually works in creating solutions, business-oriented solutions. So basically, the solutions that we are creating or implementing for the clients are something na makikita mo talaga sa operations nila, maybe in their client facing or sa internal processes nila. So you actually see kung ano yung ginawa ninyo. It's tangible.
I think the most meaningful part of being a project delivery manager is seeing the impact of the projects that you have delivered to your to the clients, most especially if ginagamit na talaga nila yung system, their challenges and pain points were addressed through the system that you have we have created for them.
For it's really fulfilling as a project manager to see how the development team put in the work and creating the solutions and creating them into reality to solve the real life problems of the clients. It's fascinating how they analyze every problem and come up with solutions that really address them. So yeah, kudos to the development team.
Yes, thanks, hello.
Hello, thank you.
Yes, yun. Yung mga thank you ng mga clients, yun.
Yeah, most of the clients are really appreciative and would express their thanks. So it's really fulfilling to know that they appreciate the work that you've done for them.
Yep. Number one, I think it should be logical thinking since you are working with clients who are actually handling or operating their own businesses. So dapat you actually know what the process or the requirement would be about. So in terms of decision making, kung if you have the logical thinking or if you actually understand the process, it could be easier for you to be able to step up for your team.
For me, a project delivery manager should have a problem solving skills. Well, there is no perfect project for me. Um, Based on my experiences, there are problems that you will encounter, limitations, but one thing that you can do is to find solutions for them.
Aside from those they mentioned, I think it's adaptability to changes and resiliency. Throughout the projects that I have managed, I noticed that there are a lot of changes throughout the different phases of the project, and you have to be ready to adapt to it and make the necessary decisions that you have in order to keep the project intact and on track. You also have to be resilient because you're working with different stakeholders, different people, and those people may have different characteristics that you have to work with. So yeah.
Yeah.
So, in addition to that, you also need to be flexible. As working in our department, you will be handling several projects, and then you have to manage your time efficiently in order to meet clients' deadline.
If you want to work in a tech industry and it's located in Tacloban and you think it's convenient for you, it's a good first step in a tech industry nga career. So you can join Devtac. The people here are good. We think that the management will accommodate anyone that has the potential to pick up in this company. Opo. Manlatak mayakan. If you want to start in a tech industry, Devtac is actually a good company to start, especially nadin hinete Tacloban, and you can work here in the office and maybe reach a goal in doing a remote if you want. Yeah.
Just short. If you are someone who loves handling people or team, this job is for you.
If you love taking leadership roles and managing different teams, I guess this position is highly recommended to you.
If you're interested in taking up project management or leadership roles in the future, I think being a project manager in Devtac is a great first step. And being the bridge between the stakeholders, the development team, and the clients will allow you to develop your communication and decision-making skills. So I think it would be a great step to take the job in Devtac.
Let's go. Good
Apply
English
now.
skills.
Join
our team.
Apply now.